Hi, I'm Matt and my company's called Bespoke Space Cheshire Limited and we make bespoke fitted furniture predominantly. So we looked at a few different CNC machines and were impressed with Charles's attitude, and we went to see him and had a demonstration on the M2 CNC. We tried cutting out some bits there and loved it. He helped us arrange finance for the machine, and then we committed to the purchase, and he arranged delivery and a date which was pretty quick. It was a few weeks, so we got everything in place in the workshop, like air, power, that kind of thing, arranged delivery, and it all went really smoothly. The guys that helped with the high-ab delivery were really good, they were really helpful. We got it into position and then arranged the commissioning, which we've just done. Got the commissioning done in a couple of hours, and then we had a few hours doing a project on the actual machines. So it's been great to do a real-life job through the machine already and have a bit of confidence that it works. So really pleased with everything so far. Friendly guys, and yeah, I'm happy.